Hi guys, Miss Shamble here with your day 16 video on graphing lines from standard form where you have to solve for y first. I'm going to be doing number 6, which I have written on this whiteboard right here. Obviously I'm going to have to flip the whiteboard over to actually graph it, but I needed the space. So in order to graph lines from standard form, you have to start by solving for y, because we need to get this written in slope-intercept form. To solve for y, in comparison, -5 is its coefficient, and the -3x is its constant. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of that x. Because it's negative, I'm going to add it to the other side. Cross that out, bring down my -5y equals, now this does not have an x, this does have an x, so we cannot put them together. So that's 10 plus 3x, they just sit next to each other like roommates. To get y totally by itself, we need to get rid of the coefficient that's multiplied on it, so I'm going to divide that away. So I'm going to divide by -5 on both sides. And I have to make sure I divide both of the numbers. So 10 divided by -5 is -2. Positive 3 divided by -5 is a fraction. I know those numbers don't go into each other, so that's just going to be -3/5, keep the x. So after looking at this, I know that my line has a slope of -3/5, and it has a y-intercept of 0, -2. So I'm going to start at 0, -2 on the y-axis, and then from there, I'm going to be traveling down 3 and then right 5 across my graph. So I'm going to flip this over and rewrite that y equals -2 minus 3/5x. So again, I'm going to start at 0, -2. So I'm going to go ahead and plot that point right here. And I'm going to travel down 3, right 5. So from this point, count down 1, 2, 3, count right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point. And then repeat that process. Down 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've run out of space on this whiteboard, so I'm going to go the opposite direction too. So instead of going down 3 and right 5, I'm going to be traveling up 3 and left 5. So up 1, 2, 3. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 2, 3. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've run out of space again. So at this point, I'm just going to do a very poorly drawn line through all of those. And I have graphed a line from standard form. Biggest takeaway from this is that you have to solve for y first before you can graph it.